All right, Giacomo, thank you. At 6:05, continuing our team coverage, showing the impacts behind all of the rain that we're getting, specifically as it relates to some of the rivers around our area. WLWT News 5's Nicole Aponte live for us in Miami Township, where the water along the Little Miami is rising quickly.
Megan, this morning we are in Roger Park. This is in South Lebanon, and we have watched as slowly but surely, as the morning goes on, I'm sure that we'll see this too. This water right here, it is slowly creeping up to where we are standing. We have seen huge pieces of tree debris come by us this morning as this water is rushing on by. But neighbors and businesses around here have been keeping an eye on this weather and have been prepping accordingly for the potential flooding. We're right off Main Street by Chubby's Pizza. It's been a staple in this community for almost 40 years, and it's no stranger to flooding. We met Chef Patty Eves. She's worked here for more than 3 decades. The team went ahead earlier this week and raised all of their supplies up off the ground. Patty also shared these videos with us of a previous flood back in 2022. You can see right here the water is surrounding this business. She's seen floodwaters come into their supply garage, and even through the front door. They're taking all necessary precautions heading into the weekend.
In case, the water should come through the garage, which it has in the past, but normally it just comes up on our pavement, which is bad enough, because we still try to keep deliveries going and everything. But, you always do what you think you need to do to keep your stuff, from getting destroyed.
Since it is considered a flood zone, Patty says she and her team, they are ready for whatever comes their way over the weekend with this potential flooding. There's a generator on standby. They're not planning to stop on deliveries anytime soon. They'll operate business as usual over the next few days. Reporting live in South Lebanon, Nicole Aponte, WLWT News 5.
All right, Nicole, thank you.